Hi there, hope you're doing well. So basically, this is a tutorial of how we can uh, configure everything from scratch. So first thing is this is the theme. So how to go to this theme? Uh, you go to like it would open once you log in. It would open something like this, and then go to online store, and then under online store you'll be able to see themes. Sometimes the online store is not visible. In that case, you go to sales channel, and in sales channel click on online store. Once you click on online store, you'll be able to see this, and you can pin this to the navigation so that it's visible over here. Okay, so that is one thing. The second thing is uh, this is the theme. So this is the theme. Now you can download this theme file. For example, if I download this theme file, it will be delivered to my email address, and I'll go to my email address and wait for the file to to be downloaded. It should be available in any moment from now. So yeah, it is there. You can download it. It's theme export. You can download it pretty easy. And for example, I'll create a I'll just create a a store, or maybe just for testing we can use a store. I'll just use this one. This is a development store, and this is just for testing purpose only, so that you can see how it works. All right. So we go to online store again, and we can upload this theme. Upload the theme. And once the theme is uploaded, we can simply publish this theme. Let's wait for it to be uploaded, and meanwhile we go to preview how it works, how it looks in this version, in this completed version. Okay, in this completed Croatian version, how it looks. So that's how it looks. We can publish it now. Now the point to be noted over here is that we do not get any other stuff. We just get this uh, skeletal of the theme. This is what we get, once we export the theme. So in order to get everything over here, we do one thing. We just have to add them manually. So we have to customize it. We have to customize it. Us that's over here. We can click on customize. Do not click on edit, because you'll not be editing any code over here. So it's just skeletal. You can add the slide over here. Okay, so we can add upload images. For example, we'll upload this image, and the images we can get through, well, extension, some extensions which are available. Okay, so I'll download all the images which are visible over here. So it makes, there is an extension coming from Chrome, and that is called image downloader. You can download, and we can just save it to subfolder. Would be I'll just, so, and we download it. So it would be downloaded to a subfolder. So almost all the images should be downloaded, and meanwhile they are being downloaded, I'm just gonna go and check my download, and ensure that everything. So I'll start to upload images over here now. All right. So first of all, we'll go from header. Header, we need the logo image. So the logo image would be under downloads, Olival, capture, or maybe simply the logo which we use, and we can include all of these images at once. That 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 makes our task easier. So let's see if we are able to upload the images. So 25 files. So let's upload only 25. So we are going to upload the 25 files only just for now, and they are uploading. Meanwhile, they are uploading. We are going to upload the rest 25 files. And they are being uploaded too. And as and when they are uploading, we'll just wait, and meanwhile what we'll do is we'll go to navigation, because our prime focus would be on navigation also. The navigation should be there. The navigation is from over here, like this is the main menu. That's the main menu actually. So that's the one we would be using, and we can actually click on the customize for this also. All right. We have we'll see what settings go where, so that it's easier for you to apply it. All right. So menu. So the menu goes like this. We have this shop header. This cannot be transported like so I'll just add the logo. We'll configure it meanwhile, and whatever we have, the settings are there as such. All we have to do is we'll have to apply the right menu over here. So ensure that everything, every menu over here is by the same name. So let's see, footer, we don't need the footer menu, we just need the header menu. We will copy it, and then we'll create this header menu by the same name. And let's see, and also let's see what menu is selected over here. So header, which menu is selected? The header menu. Okay. So in this also, let's see which menu is selected. No menu is selected because it didn't find any menu. Once we created the shop, it didn't find any menu. So let's create a menu called header menu. Okay, and then we'll add items to it, and the items would be by the same name, like shop goes with shop, shop goes with shop name, and we can just ensure that they are the right link. For example, in this you can see that that's the link to home page. In this, if we click on live, if we add lives, it's very simple actually. So create this lives, and lives, where does it go? It goes to live link. All right, it goes to live link. Lives, right? It's not showing anything. For that, we'll have to create the categories also. For now, we'll just keep it like this also. So, and like we can change the values later on, but that's how it works. and we'll add the menu, teach whatever values are here. Rice is done. We'll go with teach, and then we go this, and we can make it this. Keep it hash so that it's been easily added. So if these are under shop, okay, these are under shop, and then fossa. As long as you follow these steps, they should not come up with an error. All right. In case you find any error, just message me. Okay. But as long as you follow these steps, you'll not be able to find any error. Like there should not be an error coming up. And add menu to the shop, and then hash, and we'll just add some menus, not this one, but uh, now these are the menus, sub menus, and so this is the main heading, and we have sub menu. All right, so we'll add sub menu like this. Okay, wait, so we'll just create something like this. And as there are no links at the moment, I'll just add it dummy, and now we drag it with the mouse, and then drag it to the right so that it comes below this, and now we can add multiple links over here. So this comes, this is menu, sub menu, and sub menu. That's how it works. Okay, so hope so you'll understand this, right? So that's one, and then we'll create another one, then another one. Like I'll just complete one, and I hope so you'll be able to complete the rest. Okay, but that's how it should be, and it's pretty easy, straightforward, I would say. And I'll just add 3 for now, just to save some time and show more important things. So that's the menu, and we can select the menu from over here, and that should be header menu. We have this header menu. Okay, at the moment we in the header menu we just have shop, but we'll include these one also. All right, so shop, we close this, we have this one, so I created shop, close this, we'll have another layer and add that, and then we'll add blog, and then we'll add blog, and then we add the last one, onama. That's for, I think, that. And we just add it, save it, and wait for it. Okay, now we should have like it should take a little bit while. Okay, so as we uploaded the images, you'll see that it automatically gets the right images. Okay, some of the images are still not there. These are product images, so that would not be visible, but other than these are collection images, so even that would not be visible. Wait, yeah, these are collection images, that's why they are not visible. uh, let's see, the collage, I think so. Okay, we can add them, actually we can add them. So let's upload more images. Now we can upload content and files, and upload images also from over here, right? Whatever we believe is left. So for example, we have 43, but still 8, there were 49, I guess, which were being downloaded. So let's see how many are there. Let's go to the downloads and see how many were there. So we have these 49 items. So 9 are still missing, and we'll have to find the ones which are missing. I believe I did leave from over here to here these ones. So these might be the ones or this ones. So we can quickly upload the files, and well, let's see. Okay, upload the files, and we can just okay, we can select it from over there. So I'll select from over here. I'll select from over here to here. Okay, just for safety purpose. In duplicate would be actually renamed. So so it should show up images which are left. I think so. If it is not showing, then uh, we'll have to add them manually. So it's not showing for some reason. So we'll have to add them manually over here, right? So let's add them manually one by one. That would be a practice of how we can add images. Well, that's pretty. Okay, I'll just refresh it so that it doesn't show up previous version, or you know. So we have the images already uploaded, and then collage image. We have the image over here, but by default it's showing the image of what? It's showing the image of the collection, right? So that is the reason it's not visible. So well, nothing you can do from over here, but all you need to do is just create the right categories. In that case, all you have to do is go to customize, and go to products, and then collections, and just build up all of these collections. As long as they are correct, they would be able to, like, for example, let's see what collection we need. Retinal, vitamin C, and that's it, right? So let's see which collection we are talking. Professional. So we'll create the collection called professional, and that is over here. Over here, we'll just create this collection, and by default, it's showing the first product, I guess. Uh, so let's create the collections first of all, because I think so. It's not visible. It's not showing the value because we don't have the collections created at least. That's why it's not showing it. So let's create the collections first of all. So we create a collection called professional. So professional, right? So let's see if any mistake. No mistake. So we create the collection professional. Uh, Manual will, so make it manual, okay? And one professional is created, so there should be one image coming up. We'll have to select the collection then. Right, let's go to the collage and then professional, and we do have to change collection. select professional. That is it. Okay, we'll add one more image, like not image, but let's add another collection called smiles. Right. So let's add one more collection, and that should be like you'll definitely have to create all the collections. Where that's really important, but I'm just doing it for the purpose of showing it to you. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Let's create it. Let's find. I'm just not able to find it. So this is the one. I'm just checking these because I just want to ensure that there is some name. Also, I'll have to upload the images of products over here, so we can upload the products also, so that they're in the right category. We'll just select some, export all products, and I'll just wait for them to be exported. Meanwhile, I'll I'll create another collection. Well, collection was created, I guess. Yeah, I'll have to create another collection, and that's by this name and manual, and then save it, and then we'll create another collection. We'll have to name it. Uh, I'll just create few collections just for the sake of showing it on there. I'll keep the name very low. So I'll keep it lice. I'll keep lice. So lice. So that's easy name. And then I'll create another collection that is, I guess, sun. Uh, that is, I think so, sun, and then Novo. Okay, I'll create five collections. Sun, and then another one would be Novo. Novo. Okay. So these five collections are there, and I think so. I should have export of the products. I'll import the products now, and products. Add your products, and that should not be one by one. We import it from over here, and then let's wait. Meanwhile, they are importing. Let's wait, and I'll just move on to the next steps. So, as you mentioned, you need not to know about blogs. These everything over here is totally customizable. Customizable by customizable means like you can change the images. This collection would come up only when there is product. There is a product inside it. Okay. So let's change the collection. Let's keep it live, and then uh, change remove collection, and then select collection Novo, and then we remove collection with select collection this one, and then remove collection, and then we select collection sun. That would be our last collection, and meanwhile the products should be importing, and that would take some time to import. But in the meantime, we are ready to get the link. For example, this footer, even those are menus. Those are menus, like these navigations. Okay, so meanwhile it's importing. We can close this, and we click on navigation. We can create multiple navigation. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just use this one only. Like, I'll create another one. Like, let's name it. Uh, let's name it Olival Shop. Okay, Olival Shop, and I'll call it three times in footer. So, let's get the name right. Let's get the name right, and let's put the URL. And by the way, URL is, you can select from over here. For example, collections. You can select collections. It would be visible. Like lights, for example, lights would be visible. So that is one way. Like collections, we select the collections. Professional, it comes up automatically. If you want the collection, and you can change the name, right? Even the products come up. So I'll just put these for now, and we can select it from the footer. We go to footer, and then we have this Olival Shop. We can select Olival Shop. That would be visible over here. Then Olival Info, we'll just use the Olival Shop collection, and again the same we can use, and maybe we can just use the footer menu over here, and main menu, whatever we want. Like, if we have another menus created, so the text is changeable from the backend. The text is changeable from the backend. And now the thing is it's being, as we can see that the products are being uploaded, and what we can do is we'll just wait. uh, we'll add some products to the collections, because I think so that's the reason they are not showing. So let's add 3 to 4 products to a collection, so that it shows up. Sun should have at least 1, 2, 3, 4 products, and then I have collection. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just selecting random products, but you need to select the right products which goes in that particular collection. Okay, so now if we see, we should be able to see these. Okay, they are visible, and I think the one collection is missing. This professional one is missing, so let's add 2 to 3 products, and that should do the task, and you'll be able to see the images over here. Okay, so that is about homepage, menu, footer, and almost, these menus. In order to set, what was left, in order to set other things, like, what was the next step? So in order to set other things, just 1 second. So in order to set other things, like uh, uh, shipping. So this is about, now, this about customizing it. You can go and customize the product pages. and that should be into product pages. Also, well, you know, while we put put things together or download things, uh, there would be one file which would be missing. That would be the product.json file. We'll have to manually create one. So just go and click on this and click on edit code and add template called product.json, and that should be it. But once we create this product.json, we'll have to copy this value. So let's see, we go to edit and we'll have one product.json over here. We copy it and we paste it, save it. uh, Now these are some meta field values which are not coming up, so I'll add I'll I'll create a template already there, like, which should be product.json, but I'll do one thing. I'll create product.liquid, and then in that I'll copy a template so that it's visible to you. Let's remove this. We don't need this. We don't need the meta fields one, and yeah, it should work now. It should be saved. File name already exists. Liquid extension. Okay. So we'll not keep this. We'll create another one. Maybe just liquid file, and that should be uh, just what I'll do is I'll create section called uh, product.json, and this should be visible on all pages, and then like it should be visible across all groups. So let's see, uh, missing key. Wait, let's see. Not name it product.json over it, actually. Make it liquid. So whenever you download it, it should be visible to you. So see if this works. Okay. Now this is being saved. This backup file. All you need to do is just go and create product.json. Need not to go to the original store and copy the values from over here. But yeah, you can actually save now. File name. So we'll delete the name. Delete this. Delete file, and let's save it. What it says, product meta fields custom. Let's see. Yeah, this one also, this one plus this one plus this one, wherever there are meta fields. So just remove them, and that should do the trick. Okay, wait. Okay, so we have to delete this one also. Let's see. And now let's save. I think so it should be able to save. Alright. Now we'll be able to see product .json over here now, visible. That's completely visible over here. And as it's being customized, like I think so that was not the requirement, but I'm still showing it so that it's easier for you. So we go to this product, and these are some meta field values which should be inserted. So just copy the values whichever are there over here, like liquid values. Copy this and add add a block. Just add a block. Custom.liquid. If it is custom.liquid, copy the same thing, right? And like follow the same pattern. I think so. It's already there, so you don't have to worry about it. So what about other stuff? We can get other stuff. These are coming from meta fields. So these are meta field values. So yeah, that is that is this part. Now comes the settings part. So you know how to navigate through pages. Even all pages are created. So like these are templates assigned. So you can create a page. You can create a page by going to, you can go to page and add a page, and you can create, and for example, about us, right? And select the about template, okay, which has been created. Then we can create another page that should be contact us, and that should select the contact, all right? And these are some of the pages, like contact, about, FAQ. These are 3 pages you can select, all right? So that was about creating the pages, and you can just simply select the template, and if I refresh, you see that I'm able to select the templates from over here. So pages, and we see this us about us being assigned to about us, and again you can change the images and content from over here, all right? So that's about it for this. Now setting up shipping and delivery, you can go to shipping, and we can just follow the same pattern how it was being defined over here. So like we can just go with the original shipping. So shipping is like just creating we have to select these products. So all products are being selected, and we can select or add a rate, heavy goods or international standard shipping, and give it a price. If, for example, $50. No, it's like it's in Indian currency, but like we can just ensure that we get the right price. So we just check the right price if it is the right price. But yeah, other than that, it's all set up. You can well uh, and payment provider would be like going to billing and add payment method, add your credit card information, everything, whatever you need, and plans, whatever plans you need, and user information, whatever user information you need. And meanwhile, if you want to create an account, you can actually use one of my and just you can just send me an email. I'll create a developer account for you. In that case, it would be easier for you to manage that, right? And like you can test things around unless you are happy to go live, right? So that we can do. And but like all of these stuff, like all of the setting goes over here, like plan, That would be the Shopify plan which you want to do. Billing that goes, you can add payment method. As it is a development store, like it will not need the plan at the moment, but once we shift it to uh, real life store, it would need it would need to be added as one. So, but other than that, I don't think so. There is any change which you need to do. All right. So yeah, that is it. It should set up like, just see the original website and set things up using the information provided. Like, you can just get the images, and as I told you, like, images can be downloaded directly. All right. So yeah, looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.